Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prevent a Dodge Charger from being stolen. Install a hidden kill switch wired to the starter circuit and fit a sturdy steering wheel lock. Combine visible deterrents with electronic protections like wheel locks, alarm upgrades, and a GPS tracker. Practice simple habits. Remove keys, park in well-lit areas, and avoid leaving valuables visible to reduce risk and make your charger a tougher target. Begin with strong physical deterrents that signal difficulty to a thief. A visible steering wheel lock and a brake or pedal lock make the charger physically hard to drive away. Locking lug nuts protect wheels, and taking spare keys with you removes easy access. Layer these measures with common-sense parking choices like well-lit spots and garages to greatly reduce the chance of theft and increase recovery odds. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical guides, consider the Kindle Paperwhite for reading manuals and how-to guides anywhere, easily and with a long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find these tips. I added the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals in the description for your convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Electronic protections add a covert layer that thieves rarely anticipate. A hidden kill switch interrupts the starter or fuel supply, stopping theft before it starts. Upgrading alarms with tilt and glass break sensors improves detection, while a discreet GPS tracker provides real-time location and movement alerts. Combine these systems so that if one fails, the others still work, creating redundancy that makes stealing a charger significantly harder and recovery more likely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.